Hello everyone, in today's video we will discuss the NCERT solution for class 12th chemistry by Mahesh Bharadwaj, chapter 2 solution. In today's video we will discuss the exercise question number 2.9. The question is, a sample of drinking water was found to be severely contaminated with chloroform formula CHCl3 supposed to be carcinogen. The level of contamination was 15 parts per million by mass. So first part is express this in percent by mass, and another part is determine the molality of chloroform in the water sample. Okay, now we will proceed the question. First, we will do the first part of the question, that is 15 parts per million by mass means 15 parts per million means 15 parts is present in per million. Per million is 10 to the power 6 of the solution. Therefore, percentage by mass is 15 divided by 10 to the power 6 into 100. Net value comes to be, that is 15 into 10 to the power minus 4, or 1.5 into 10 to the power minus 3%. Okay, so here our first part is get solved. Now we will discuss the second part to calculate the molality. First, we will calculate the molar mass of CHCl3, that is chloroform. I multiply 1 with 12 because atomic mass of carbon is 12. I multiply 1 with 1 because atomic mass of hydrogen is 1. I multiply 3 with 35.5. 35.5 is the atomic mass of chlorine. So when we add it, the value comes to be 119.5 gram per mole. So this is the molar mass of chloroform. Now, according to the question, 15 gram of chloroform is present in 10 to the power 6 gram of the solution. So, we can consider the mass of solvent is approximately 10 to the power 6 gram, because we can neglect 10 to the power 15 gram in comparison with 10 to the power 6. So we can neglect this 15 gram in comparison with 10 to the power 6. So what we will observe, the mass of solvent is 10 to the power 6. Here we neglect the mass of solute. Okay, because it is very small as compared to the mass of the solvent. So the molality of the solution is, we will write the formula. Formula is weight of the solute upon molar mass of the solute into 1000 upon mass of the solvent. Now we will substitute the value here. 15 is the mass of the solute, 119.5 is the molar mass of the solute into 1000, and 10 to the power 6 is the mass of the solvent. When we solve it, the value comes to be 1.255 into 10 to the power minus 4. This small m is indicate molality here. So the molality of the solution is 1.255 into 10 to the power minus 4. I hope you are able to understand this question. Now, for more such kind of question and study material, please visit to our website, that is teachingpoint.org.in. Recently, we start a service also in which a student can ask question on our question answer platform on our website. So it is totally free. Okay. Please take care, student. Bye bye.